directly facing the tracks on Front and 5th Street. Miss Bellin operated a clothing store out of this building in the 1980s, while the other side hosted many businesses over the years, including a bowling alley found in the basement, a video store, and today is the location of Yes Employment Services. On the right-hand side of what was Bellin's clothing store is a small property, which in 1969 was a craft store operated by Miss Cody. Over the years it became JD Beauty Salon, and more recently is home to Studio 155. To the left of Bellin's is a private home built in the 1950s, which was once Arvo Payu's office, and then Pankovic's shoe repair. The building was also used more recently as Ovid's tax office. Just next to this building is found a private home turned into a fine photography and portrait studio, print business, and art gallery owned by Art LaFramboise, cleverly named Art by Art.